Did you know that a fragrant herb commonly found in your kitchen might hold the key to sharper thinking and a healthier brain? It's true. This humble herb, often overlooked, has been a staple in culinary traditions for centuries, but its benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. Rosemary, the aromatic herb we use to flavor our roasted vegetables and meats, is more than just a culinary delight. Its unique scent and flavor have made it a favorite in many dishes, but recent studies are uncovering its hidden potential. Emerging research suggests that rosemary possesses potent properties that can enhance memory, improve cognitive function, and potentially even protect against age-related decline. Scientists have found that compounds in rosemary, such as carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that are beneficial for brain health. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of rosemary and uncover its incredible health benefits. From ancient times to modern science, rosemary has been revered for its medicinal properties. In fact, it was often used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. This isn't just folklore. Scientific studies are backing up what our ancestors seemed to know instinctively. Research has shown that even the aroma of rosemary can improve concentration and memory. Inhaling rosemary essential oil has been linked to better performance in cognitive tasks. Ready to unlock the secrets of this potent herb? Incorporating rosemary into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. Whether you use it fresh, dried, or as an essential oil, the benefits are within your reach. Let's explore the evidence together. We'll look at the latest research, hear from experts, and discover practical ways to incorporate rosemary into your life for a healthier brain and sharper mind. Rosemary's story is a captivating blend of ancient wisdom and modern scientific discovery. For centuries, this aromatic herb has been prized for its medicinal properties. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed rosemary strengthened memory and used it in religious ceremonies and as a symbol of remembrance. In traditional medicine, rosemary treated various ailments, from digestive issues to headaches. Today, modern science is catching up to what our ancestors seemed to know intuitively. Rigorous studies are now revealing the mechanisms behind rosemary's therapeutic effects, confirming its potential as a valuable tool for promoting health and well-being. One of the most exciting areas of rosemary research is its potential to boost brain power. This humble herb, often found in our kitchens, is now being studied for its remarkable effects on the mind. Studies have shown that inhaling rosemary essential oil can enhance memory recall and improve cognitive performance. The simple act of breathing in its aroma can lead to significant improvements in mental clarity and focus. The active compounds in rosemary, particularly rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, are believed to work by protecting the brain against oxidative stress and inflammation, factors linked to cognitive decline. These compounds act as powerful antioxidants, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage brain cells over time. Imagine starting your day with the invigorating aroma of rosemary, knowing that it might be giving your brain a healthy boost. Incorporating rosemary into your daily routine could be as simple as adding a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser or enjoying a cup of rosemary-infused tea. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising and suggest that rosemary could play a role in maintaining cognitive health as we age. This could be particularly beneficial for the elderly, who are more susceptible to cognitive decline. By integrating rosemary into their lifestyle, they might experience improved memory and mental function, contributing to a better quality of life. The evidence supporting rosemary's brain-boosting benefits is growing. A study published in the journal Therapeutic Advances in Psychopharmacology found that rosemary essential oil improved cognitive performance and mood in healthy adults. Another study, published in International Journal of Neuroscience, showed that rosemary aroma improved prospective memory, the ability to remember to do something in the future. These findings suggest that rosemary's active compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier, directly impacting brain function. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects, the initial results are encouraging. Beyond the brain. Rosemary's antioxidant powerhouse. Rosemary's benefits extend far beyond the brain. This potent herb is an antioxidant powerhouse, packed with compounds that protect our cells against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants like those found in rosemary help neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our bodies from their damaging effects. This antioxidant activity makes rosemary a valuable ally in the fight against chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Rosemary for pain relief, a natural alternative. For generations, rosemary has been used in traditional medicine to alleviate pain, and now science is starting to understand why. Research suggests that rosemary possesses analgesic properties, meaning it can help reduce pain perception. In particular, rosemary has shown promise in relieving headaches and migraines. While more studies are needed to confirm these effects, rosemary's potential as a natural pain reliever is exciting, offering a potential alternative to conventional pain medications, which can sometimes have unwanted side effects. Safety and precautions. Using rosemary wisely. While generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts as a culinary herb, rosemary can have potent effects, and it's essential to use it wisely. Consuming large amounts of rosemary, particularly in concentrated forms like essential oil, can cause side effects such as skin irritation, allergic reactions, or digestive upset. Pregnant women and individuals with certain medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before using rosemary medicinally. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek personalized advice from your doctor. Incorporating rosemary into your daily life. Adding a touch of rosemary to your life is easier than you might think. This aromatic herb, known for its distinctive fragrance and flavor, can be a delightful addition to various aspects of your daily routine. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy the potential benefits of this versatile herb, whether in your kitchen, your drinks, or even your self-care rituals. Culinary delights. Sprinkle fresh or dried rosemary on roasted vegetables, chicken, fish, or soups for an aromatic flavor boost. The herb not only enhances the taste, but also adds a touch of elegance to your dishes. Imagine the delightful aroma wafting through your kitchen as you prepare a rosemary-infused meal. It's a simple way to elevate everyday cooking. Aromatic infusion. Add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary to your water bottle for a refreshing and potentially memory-boosting drink. This infusion not only hydrates, but also provides a subtle, invigorating flavor. Relaxing bath. Add a handful of fresh rosemary to a warm bath to soothe sore muscles and enjoy its calming aroma. The herb's natural oils can help relax your body and mind, making it a perfect addition to your self-care routine. Remember to start with small amounts and increase gradually as needed. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, incorporating rosemary can be a delightful and beneficial experience. So, why not give it a try and discover the wonders of this amazing herb? The Future of Rosemary. Unlocking more secrets. Rosemary's story is far from over. As research continues to unravel its mysteries, we can expect to discover even more about this remarkable herb and its potential to improve our health. From its impact on brain health to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary holds immense promise for developing new therapies and improving well-being. The future of rosemary is bright, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is intended for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute medical advice. It is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns, or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment. Did you find this information about rosemary's incredible health benefits helpful? Share this article with your friends and family, and spread the word about this amazing herb. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on natural health and wellness.